Chief Executive Member ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC Thombor Shiwat haka santrik leber ulabate kam yaki Executive Member jong ka Executive Committee ka badang shuthaw kabayalam da ka National People's Party NPP rengkar ka jinya terilang ka United Democratic Party UDP. Katkum ka jimpun bena ka balapan mi katkum ka rule life way iwe bat ar jong ka Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 ka kadaw syai ba Deputy Chief Executive Member bat ki Executive Members ki day ban yaselok bat Chief Executive Member habashim ya kirai ki bakongsan hakaliang ka policy bat ki kam ki bayade bat ki portfolio jongki Chief Executive Member udang don ka bor ban bishar bnia ya kino ki kot kisla ki bayade bat ki kam ki balapan bed da ki Executive Members Thombor Shiwat kum Chief Executive Members ulabat Kambun ki portfolio halade bat laban tapat ya ki wei ki jingkit khli sya ki executive members ki portfolio ba ubat ki kentup ya ka general administration planning establishment appointment posting and transfer administration of district council fund revenue receipt finance budget pension gratuitous relief fund investment relief and rehabilitation investigation share of royalty on minor and major minerals permission and no objection certificate na kabenta ki karkhana, legislation of act, regulation and rules, land revenue, land reform, cadastral survey, land holding certificate and no objection certificate, land valuation, non-encumbrance certificate, land acquisition and compensation, land settlement, mutation and relinquishment of patas, land lease, bunaj land, puja land, service land, community land, religious land, but land rent, ha ki jaka jong ka elaka nartiang, nalor ki wei pat ki portfolio ki ba omsham la ai ha ki wei ki executive members. Ulaski rembai Deputy Chief Executive Member ubana ka UDP. Ula syak pen ku bor ban pe ya ka National Art and Culture, Village and Town Administration, Civil Works, Central Special Assistance Grant, Finance Commission Schemes, State Annual Plan for Financing Own Plan Schemes, Building Schemes, Hapo Council Own Fund, Website and Computer Cell, Legal Matters, bat ki kam bayade bat ka khendo haka elaka jawai. Hambertus nong to do executive member ulayo obat ya katanat forest administration grant in aid for plantation registration of village and sacred grove encroachment and illegal felling haki JHADC protected forest mining lease and regulation of mineral extraction weight bridges working schemes codification of customary law bat ki kam bayade bat kakendo haka elaka nongkli Bison Roy Yano executive member Ula syak pen ku bor ban pe ya ka fisheries, agriculture and soil conservations, bat ki kam bayade bat ka kendo haki elaka ralyang bat syangpung. JC Suyam executive member ula syak pen ku bor ban pe ya ka trading by non-tribals, enforcement machineries, non-tribal employees service license, taxes on professions, trade, employment, entry tax on vehicles, share of motor vehicle taxes, bat ki kam bayade bat ka kendo haka elaka maskun. Penchua nangling executive member unpej hakawai debet ka grant of license for marriage and vehicle registration bat ki kam bayai debet ka kendo haki elaka nong jengi bat nong ba. Head potmi executive member kmi ya katanat stationery and printing, social reforms, coal extraction and transportation, government housing policy bat ki kam bayai debet ka kendo haki elaka narpu bat darang. Usai borlang shadap executive member ulayo obat ya ka administration of market department bat ki kam bayade ka kendo haka elaka sutenga. Meddling M swear executive member na ka UDP day ubakmi ya ka administration of statistics and information department town committee affairs bat ki kam bayade bat ka kendo haki elaka nong talang saipung sumer sirdarship bat amwi. Ay borlang shadap executive member unpe ya katanat political matters, political cases, election and appointment of the loy sirdar bat wahe shnong inter elaka boundary demarcation bat ki kam bayade ka khendo haki elaka shiliang mentang bat menso. Ka violet lingdo executive member kan pe ya ka administration of education and judicial department bat ki kam bayade ka khendo haka elaka rambai.